Hello roller skaters. I am sharing my opinion or review of a wheel. And this is a wheel that I've used over the last several years. I've gone through several sets of this wheel and I skate a lot, so I like them a lot. I keep buying them, I like them. This is the Rollerbones team logo wheel.
Nice.
Mine are the 57 millimeter high and mine are 98A. So the A rating is the hardness or the durometer. These wheels also come in a 62 millimeter high, a little higher. I haven't skated them. And they also come in a 101 A or hardness durometer rating. So they come in a harder wheel. For me, 98 is hard enough. So I'm sticking with the 98s in the 57 millimeter. You can see, looking at this wheel, it is slim. It's 30 millimeters wide, so it's not a very wide wheel, which is typical for park wheels, and it's also typical for artistic wheels and dance wheels. These wheels were designed, or are designed for artistic skating. But I've used them, and a lot of people have used them at skate parks without any problem. I think they're great skate park wheels. The only things they lack for a skate park would be a beveled edge. You can see the edges are like they cut straight, like at a 90-degree angle.
Yeah.
A lot of times with skate park wheels or specifically designed skate park wheels, the edges will like shave or bevel, like round.
At a 45, they cut it.
So that they don't catch on the coping. I personally have not had a problem with sliding copings with a wheel with a squared edge. It might make more of a difference maybe depending on the coping or a ledge or something. If there was a different shape sort of coping or ledge, maybe it would become an issue. But one of the things that's great about these wheels is they are versatile. You know, they're designed for artistic skating. They're great for a dance wheel at the rink for doing dance moves on a perfect rink floor. They also do a great job, I feel, at the skate park. On a nice smooth concrete surface at the skate park where you're carving around and practicing, you know, skills and things like that at your local park. So they can go a lot of different ways, and they are inexpensive. You can find all 8 of these wheels for around $50.
Wow.
Or like, you know, close to $50. Sometimes a little less, sometimes a little more, depending on what's available, what you can find available. And that's like, if you've been shopping for roller skate wheels, you probably know to get all 8 wheels is usually at least $80 to $100 if you're getting quality wheels.
Yeah, good wheels.
And these are quality wheels. You know, they're made by Rollerbones, which, you know, of course they've been making wheels forever. They're a very high quality urethane, and they're very well made. You know, I say I've gone through several sets, but that's over several years with a lot of skating. So if you're looking for a good wheel that's not super expensive, and also can do different things, like it could do park, it could do a little dance. I don't think street skating would be super comfortable in these because they are a little hard, but you know, artistic skating, dance, park, it can kind of do some different things. And it's inexpensive, and it comes in colors. I found the green available, I found the pink available, though sometimes there's a purple, but I couldn't find it available, and I think there's a white and a black. So it just really depends on what you can find in stock. On the Rollerbones site, I was only able to find the 62 millimeters, and I like the 57s, but I did find the 57 millimeters on Amazon. And so I'll put the link below if y'all are interested. So please let us know, what wheels are you skating on or are interested in, and what kind of videos would you like to see about skating? And please like and comment, subscribe. Thanks.